Alright, so I noticed my 4runner was sitting an inch lower on the driver's side, and then I realized since I extended the sway bars and I have extended travel shocks, so we jacked up the front, but the rock slider to the point where the front end's off the ground. Like, I don't have any more down travel in the front. The rear is still touching, and the spring, Jose, move the spring please. The spring is completely freaking loose. So when I'm going high speed and the back end droops out all the way like this, the spring can just pop out. That's not good. I need new springs no matter what. So guys, remember my issue I was having with the springs falling out? Hopefully this will solve that issue. These are longer. Old man Emu, baby. So we have the new 2890s. You could see the driver's side on the left is taller than the passenger, and these on the right is 2906. So you have 2906, 2890. What the hell is going on? Ghetto ass people trying to fight and shit. Alright, we're trying to install springs. Need some peace and quiet here. Alright, so 2906 is out. He's gonna use compressor on that one and put it in right there.
He wired the compressor.
Oh. What about I got it working too.
Huh?
I got it working.
Yeah, he just wired it. Oh. He had to make another hole on the firewall.
I see. Hurt my feelings, boss. That's my job. Jose's doesn't trust my electrical skills. Yay. He compressed the heck out of it. So this whole time, all these years, I've been driving the 4runner with the rear springs in wrong. Ask him if he needs a light. I have a flashlight. Alright, we're all done.
La madera esa. Porque quería hacer lo mismo que tú hiciste.
Yeah, so the driver's side definitely went up like almost an inch. That's awesome. So, supposed to get 285s tomorrow. They should fit better. Yeah, buddy. All right. Well, 2890s are in. They shouldn't be falling out at full flex anymore.